children and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to combine using the start on tap block and the hide block. The story behind this project is that Kitten now has the peach that fell from the tree and they are going to eat it, and as they eat it, it's going to disappear into their belly. Right, so let's first of all change the background to the summer background. So we've got where the peach tree is, so I've selected summer, press tick, and there we go. We now need to add a character, which is the peach. So I'll press the plus below Kitten, scroll down, find the peach, there it is, and then press the tick button, and there it is. Right, let's move the peach slightly across so it looks like the Kitten is holding it. Fantastic. Right, we now need to code the peach, not Kitten, because the peach is what's going to be doing the action. So we've selected peach. We know that because obviously there's a peach down in the bottom grey area. So let's go to the yellow category first of all. Again, we're not going to use the green flag start block. We're going to use the start on tap block, which is this one here. So then what we're going to do is go to the blue movement blocks, select the turn to the left because it looks like the Kitten is slightly eating it. We're then going to go to the purple category and get the hide block, and then we're going to go to the red category and select the end of program. We want the peach to move slightly, so we're going to click on the 1 and change that to a 2. So as it rotates, it looks like Kitten's eating it. Right, let's try then. So I'm going to start it by tapping the peach. Brilliant. Let's reset that again. Nice. What we could do, I think, is if we put Kitten slightly in front of it, it will disappear behind Kitten as it's being eaten. Lovely. Right, reset. Let's look at that full screen. Fantastic. Great job, everyone. Well done. And again, we can make it smaller if we need to edit. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.